unbox this. This is how the phone looks like. It has a very nice colors. And on both sides, on front and back side, there is glass with aluminum frame. Let's put this aside and let's look deeper into the box. This charger is a 45-watt charger, so it's a pretty fast charger. This is a USB Type-C, and these are some normal AirPods. You can use them. So this is the warranty card and the manual. So now let's see how fast it turns on. 2,000 years later. Okay, so it has glass on both back and front side. So this is a quad camera phone. So it has 3 cameras in a row and 1 in the side. And it is a ultra camera phone, so it takes amazing pictures. And I will be showing you some pictures to have a good example of how good quality the pictures are.
So this is a comparison of both Huawei phones. As for the Mate 20 Pro, you can see more details on the sky, water, trees, and grass. As for the P30 Pro, it actually has some more bright and vivid photos. These are the comparison photos in the night, and we didn't even use flashes. And on the P30 Pro, you can see the cars that well. I mean, it's unbelievable. And here we have another amazing photo from the P30 in the dark. This phone can take amazing pictures in the dark, and it's like you're